Whoa! Welcome to my God. Welcome to my God. Welcome to my God. God. Whoa! Welcome to my God. Welcome to my God. Welcome to my God. God.
Hey, we're at Home Depot. We're gonna get a new lawnmower today.
Oh, what's up? What's up, everybody?
Out with the
old
and in with the new.
and rolling on the budget.
Talk to him. Tell him what we're gonna do.
The blade was cut in the yard. It must have hit like a big rock. It was under the grass when we was doing some cutting, and it wound up warping the blade, warping the thing that the blade sits in, so it doesn't spin right and won't hold a new blade. So we're forced to get another lawnmower.
We had to order it and we're picking it up today, right?
Yes.
He's in the process of getting the lawnmower right now. The lady went to go get the lawnmower. What you say, don't threaten you with a good time?
Threaten me with a good time.
Okay. You like that chair? That is beautiful. Wow. That's really nice. LED. That's nice. How nice that is. That's a nice rocking chair also. Yeah, I like that. Really nice for my son-in-law. I have a rocking chair, but that's a real nice rocking chair for me. Ooh, look at those colors. Tropical. Yeah, I'm sitting in this rocking chair. It's nice. My lawnmower may be on its way. Let's see. Let's see if that's her. Okay. Oh yeah, that's her. Hold on. Let's go.
You want me to print out the confirmation you picked it up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the lawnmower that was on sale. Has a two-year limited warranty. This is my grass. So high.
Damn, that stuff high.
Let's see how tall this grass is over you. Come on. Ooh, you're sneezing. Allergies. Ooh, you in the swamp, the forest. Get out of that forest. Get out of that forest, baby. Get out of that forest. You gonna look for something in there? Or you gonna get out of there? Come on, get out. Get out of that grass. Come, Joopy. Get out of that grass. Thank you guys for joining me. It is really hot today. I had to come in the house and relax. It's been a long, long day, and tomorrow's a long, long day. I have to cut that yard. I really appreciate you joining me. Remember, peace, love, and happiness, and grow, grow, grow.
Whoa! Welcome to my God. Welcome to my God. Welcome to